The $1 million Las Vegas home of the day is located in the Ridges. It's $5,499,000 with 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 7,238 square feet. It was listed by Gavin Real Estate, and it's been on the market just 22 hours, and it's already had 624 views, and 45 people have saved this. Thank you, Gavin Ernstone of Simply Vegas, for this beautiful listing. As you go down through this video, you'll see that this home is situated on a beautiful views of the golf course. Look at the view from the top. That pool is gorgeous. The home lights up just like a mansion, and it sits on this beautiful fairway. The home has mountain views and golf course views. A rare find with 2 gorgeous master suites, one up and one down. And it has a casita, currently used as a gym. Wait till you see this kitchen. It is stacked with Viking appliances and features a huge center island, rich cabinetry, granite countertops, and this home has a bright open floor plan with large pocketing doors in the great room to allow for seamless indoor-outdoor living. One of my favorite features on these $1 million homes. The backyard feels like a private resort with a stunning pool, spa, fire features, putting green, fabulous outdoor kitchen, and a covered patio. This is truly an entertainer's dream home with a movie theater, enormous wine cellar, and huge loft upstairs for games. And the secondary bedrooms are all large with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. With 6 bedrooms, this beautiful home is perfect for a large or multi-general family. And as we scroll down through here, you see the beautiful appointments in the primary bathroom, the beautiful TV room. All the amenities are up to date, first class, state of the art. If you want to see this home, click below and I'll be so happy to show it to you, among other $1 million homes in Las Vegas. Thank you and have a wonderful day. The $1 million Las Vegas home of the day is Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yeah.
Hey, I ain't perfect, but at least I try.
Yeah, you're out there.
So, yeah, I keep saying to people, you know, when you're doing your pictures, put your remarks to align with your pictures. Especially if I don't think Zillow mixes them up. I think Zillow presents the pictures as you present them in the MLS. So I think your pictures should align with your remarks. And that always trips me up because I'm reading the remarks, but I'm looking at the pictures don't match my remarks. So that's something that, you know, I'm going to have to maybe cut and paste the remarks and put them in order of the pictures. That might take a few minutes. But anyway, I'm starting to do this every day. And I'm just saying, everybody else, you can do it too. Why not?
Yep, I appreciate that because you're going to attract a different audience than someone else.
Yeah, and and create a YouTube channel. It's easy. If you don't know how to do it, GTS, right? Google that stuff. It'll tell you real easy. And there's a application called TubeBuddy. And there's another application called VidIQ, and that will help you with keywords and tags and setting up your descriptions. And it's just an awesome, both. I have both. You don't need both, but you know, I've had TubeBuddy for a long time, and then VidIQ. I had VidIQ for a long time, and then Tom Ferry said, "Oh, you should also have VidIQ." So, hold please, John. This. Anyway, setting up a channel is easy. And I've had like Serena Anderson, she and her lending gal, Jen, they have started doing the YouTube channel and doing just practicing, you know, everything that we say that they should do. And yesterday in class, we saw that Brad McCullum, and he's
Yeah.
put himself now in the videos of the house. So
Mhm.
that's the next thing. That's the next thing people are going to have to do. Get a videographer, and, you know, and he's sharpened his saw. Believe me, Jimmy, when he first started doing the videos, they were very amateur. But
Yeah.
it didn't matter. He still got views. People don't care. They want to see the house. They don't care about you and your amateur style or whatever. So I just tell everybody to do it.